All right, the moment we all been waiting for, hashtag demo day.
And there's John ripping out the shower. I think it may have a leak once he's done. There's one panel, and there's the ladies ripping off trim, door trim, floor trim, and all the plastic wrap off the windows, which is
and dying over heat stroke.
Yes.
And it's hot in here.
Woo! Here we are. We got an awesome start. All trim, and yeah, all the trim is off. Bathtub, toilet, everything is taken out. So I'm gonna go grab the kids because they were excited to smash that hammer into the wall. So, and help roll up carpets and take all the flooring out. So I'm gonna grab some lunch, grab the kids, and then we're back to work. Let's go. So here's a little fun fact. As we're driving home, we came across this fun little sign. So yield, aircraft have right of way on all roads. I'm pretty sure that is a North Pole, Alaska kind of thing.
So as you can clearly see, there are just normal houses everywhere, normal residences all the way up the hill back there. And here is a runway for small planes that we call bush planes. And most of those houses, like this one back there, you can see the big hangar where they park their small airplanes in it. Pretty cool. Okay, so first two are picked up. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Can you be a little bit more excited? You don't seem very excited. Good.
Hi.
You got your muscles ready?
No, I just have flaps ready. It doesn't go, I'm so strong, it goes down instead of up.
Well, that's going to change today. Renovation is almost like a workout.
That's right.
This falls in the category only in North Pole again.
Look how fuzzy it is. Look how fuzzy it is.
It's bareback riding. Got the last three.
Say hello.
Peace, Navida.
Oh boy.
Okay, so here's the area of smashing, okay?
Listen to Mr.
So listen, the area of smashing is from this white line and up, and along this line right here, okay? So this can all go, all right?
What is that reaction?
That's where the sink was.
What? That's really low.
So we got backup from our new recruits demo team. So
No clue what they're
day. Thank you that we're all safe. Please bless this food and keep us healthy while we eat through this precious fast. Amen.
Amen.
There was a silly.
Like any of this food, we kind of wrap it up and put that in the truck. Or
5 minutes, baby boy.
Do you want kisses? Dreaming of their own apartment while cleaning this. Aww. Alright, so Kirsten and I are gonna do a coffee run real quick because we forgot to bring the coffee, and that is a no-go for us. So I'm gonna take a quick break and get back to work right away. So we just wanted to take a quick moment and shout out to our kids because they have done such an amazing job helping us. There's no way they're bringing carpet masses right now. Look at this.
Come on, go with the beat, guys. It's through.
A little frightening, however, they have been serving with a joyful heart, helping every moment.
For hours now.
Yeah, we started like really at 10 o'clock. Sorry.
Yeah, without any complaining.
Yeah,
They're
so
just still singing, going at it.
and at the same time they're learning so much about remodeling, upkeeping of the house, and just life skills that are so important.
Absolutely.
And I'm learning a lot.
Yeah.
How to take out nail strips. I'm pretty good at it now.
Yeah, so guys, if you need to...
Hey guys, remember there's
coming
people.
back. It's almost like they're having their own big dance party, but parents, take your kids along. If you change the oil, if you repair something in the car or repair something in the house, they want to learn. You just have to make it interesting for them. And how great is it that they learn those skills so later on they don't have to call other people and rely on other people. Even our girls that, you know, they can just take care of themselves. How amazing is that, you know? Because our goal as parents is to teach them
to live independently without having to rely on anyone.
That's what I wanted
Or
to
to
say.
be able to serve other people.
Exactly.
And to be a blessing to other people. And you have to know how to be able to take care of things in order to do that.
Exactly.
And what's most important too, the memories that we're making. So the moments that we little dance party, or the moments, you know, you throw a, well, you hit me with a nail board. So that is not a good memory. You did. Yes, you did. Yes, you did.
You spanked me with the board earlier.
So there's so much good memories in it
Yeah.
too, doing it as a family. And I think that we'll forever remember those moments.
Absolutely.
So
And putting this all in a video, in a vlog that they can remember, that is priceless.
I know. Our digital photo album. So now we're getting looked at through the window, so I think
We
our
gotta
little
go back
break
in
is
there.
over. We have to go and bust it out again.
Yeah.
But it's fun.
Nobody's not going down. Pink floor. And
What is it doing? So look at that. All cleaned up again.
Yeah. We got a lot of work done today.
Yes, we did.
Day 1 is done.
Enough for one day. Get lost.
This is what happens when you work all day together and the ladies are trying to book a trip to Anchorage next month and stay in a hotel next to each other, room for room.
I was trying to save us money, and this one had an attitude.
He did have an attitude.
He raised
then-
his voice.
Yeah.
I think John just tried to help.
I don't know what to do with this.
So Kirsten wouldn't let John go until he said sorry. So I know you caught that for a second, that he gave her a little huggy and said he was sorry. And now we can all just go about our lives. We're all happy.
disappointed in himself.
And look, I stirred this
That again.
yumminess. Oh yeah.
Oh gosh, I love you. One of
And we got garlic bread.
For you and Steve.
Yeah, but
You don't even have that. Great.
So the boys are bottle flipping, their newest hobby.
With Hank.
Oh!